Any successful YouTube channel relies on a foundation that most viewers never see. Just like the skyscraper, the structural integrity of your brand depends entirely on the technical setup you complete before you ever hit the record button. The first step is simple but critical. You must draw a hard line between your personal digital life and your new identity as a creator. To begin, make sure you have 3 things ready: a smartphone for verification, your channel's profile graphics, and a finalized business name. Taking these deliberate steps today ensures your account is secured and configured correctly, preventing the technical hurdles and login conflicts that often disrupt growing channels. Go to the YouTube homepage. We are going to sign in, but we are creating a completely separate environment from your personal email. When you create this new Google account, the system will ask what the account is for. Select the option for work or business. Enter your details and create a unique, complex password. When the prompt for phone number verification appears, complete it immediately. This creates your digital headquarters. Keeping your channel's login separate from your personal inbox is the most effective way to organize your workflow and protect your account as it scales. Now that your account exists, you need to establish the channel itself. Click your profile icon and select Create a Channel. Type in your channel name. This is the primary title that will represent your content to the world. Below that, you will claim your handle. This is your unique identifier on the platform, functioning like a social media tag. Once you see the green checkmark, your handle is secured. This ensures your identity is protected and prevents other users from impersonating your brand in the comments section. Upload your profile picture, ensuring it is well framed and clear. Then click the final button to generate the channel. With these identity elements confirmed, your channel is officially active and ready for configuration. We are now moving from the public homepage into the YouTube Studio dashboard. This is the back-end interface where you will manage your videos and settings. Open the Settings menu and navigate to the Feature Eligibility tab to see your current account status. Because you verified your phone number earlier, your intermediate features are already active. This allows you to upload custom thumbnails and post videos longer than 15 minutes. To access advanced features, complete a quick video verification. Simply follow the prompts on your phone, centering your face within the frame. The system will mark the status as pending while the video is processed. This tier generally becomes active within 24 hours. Completing these verifications now provides the range of tools needed to manage a growing channel and eventually apply for monetization. Cautionary: before you upload, you need to establish your default safety settings. Navigate to the Upload Defaults section. Find the Visibility dropdown and switch it from public to private. This prevents videos from going live the moment they finish uploading, giving you time to finalize titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. Next, go to the Compliance section and declare your audience demographic. You must specify whether your content is made for kids or not. Clearly stating your target audience protects your channel from the risk of demonetization or platform penalties resulting from misclassification. To finish the storefront, open the Customization tab. This is where you write your channel description. Focus heavily on the first 2 sentences. These are the first lines potential subscribers see when they visit your page. When you upload your channel banner, check your safe zones. This ensures your branding is clearly visible, whether your audience is watching on a mobile phone, a desktop browser, or a television. Finally, add a business email address for sponsorship inquiries. Ensure this public contact email is different from the private email you use to log into the account. This configuration creates a professional appearance for brands, while keeping your primary account credentials secure from outside access. With your settings optimized and your account secured, you can now focus on the specific requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. These are the benchmarks for monetization. You need 1,000 subscribers, plus either 4,000 hours of public watch time or 10 million shorts views. Your technical setup is complete. You have the settings and the targets. Pick up your camera, hit record, and start your first video.